Right, let's take these off. Clay quite well. I mean, there's a little bit of honey in there. Is that worth nothing more? But I mean, how much is there actually is in here?
Jar for man. Is that one as well? Keep it as feed. Or will it just get robbed?
I mean, I suppose there's a jar in there, isn't there?
Mm.
I mean, just take it. Yes. Seems really worth it, really.
Well, you could keep them as feed, innit? If you're getting meat.
And I've got to extract them supers tomorrow, and or hang on, Saturday. All right, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if there's any empty ones in there.
And then swap them
Just
out.
swap me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, oh, we got that. Actually, leave them because these have been on 24 hours, aren't they? This Clara board. It's not too bad, is it? I know there ain't
No.
much food in there, but because you generally leave them on sort of 12, 13 hours. Perhaps that ain't long enough. Anyway.
There's a lot of bees in this one.
Good.
God, that's attacking me. Little buggers.
Alright, let's get down.
Oh, they are quite violent, these bees. Oh look, this just shows you how bees can get in and out. They're getting... Maybe that's the wood. The wood is swelled a bit. The bees are coming out of the top. They're coming out of the top of here. This is a King's Lynn hive. We'll have to do a bit of a repair job on that. And you got a feeder.
Yeah, I've got some in other places, but
Well, maybe that ain't as full as what you think.
I checked the other day, they were a bit empty, weren't they?
I can't remember. Did we check them? I can't remember. Probably ain't gone out.
Yeah, we did, yeah, I looked
No,
for them,
we didn't.
didn't I?
Alright.
Yeah, they were pretty empty, mate. That's alright, that's...
What's in there then? There's no eggs on there, is there?
No, there's a little tiny bit of nectar.
Is it worth putting one of them ones with honey in it in there then?
Yeah, I could do, I guess. Yeah, why not? Let's have a look.
It's going to be alright then, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sent
I suppose that's the thing, if you have one of them spacer boards, that's ready straight away to put one in if you needed to, I suppose.
Yeah. That's fuller in it.
Yeah, that one's the full one.
The fullest.
Keep them going for a little while now.
Yeah, I mean, I've got
Got that one. That'd be
Yeah, this is alright. This is fine.
Oh, you just lay that on top of that, do you?
Yeah, they come through there, look.
That's quite good, then, isn't it?
So, you put it over there actually. So you come from up there, you just go over the top.
Just scrape that bit, so
That's it.
that's it. Yeah, that's on top of that. That don't really matter.
There's this bit. I don't really ever use this to be honest.
That can slot in the back there. Maybe.
See that?
Yeah, perfect. Shouldn't have wasted that jar of honey, man.
Well, a jar's a jar, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, £6.50, mate. That's the way you say it. You know, you got to look at it, really. So there's quite a bit of food in there, isn't there?
Well, I suppose they can fill it up again if they want, can't they?
Go on with it.
Well, at least the sun came out anyway.
Yeah.
It's another hive ready for the winter.
Yeah, just get the.
Apart from the varroa treatment, which I forgot about
Yeah,
because the supplier didn't send the right amount.
yeah. That's all.
And it's a good job it's still warm, really, so it don't really make no difference opening them up anymore, do it?
No, I mean, it's pretty
good.
warm enough yet. I mean, a lot of ones off bed are getting quite heavy. A lot of the IV ain't out yet because I keep looking, and so there's going to be a bit of a food source there if they don't rain too much. Settling in it really. I'll just store that in the shed.
Yeah, job done.